On April 16, 2023, a violent storm hit several areas in Japan. Several prefectures that were hit by heavy rain. Even heavy hail hit Tokyo and Saitama during the day. Hailstorms have had devastating impact on local residents. Several windshields were reported broken. The roof of residents' houses were also damaged due to quite large chunks of ice falling with high intensity. Residents who left their homes hid from chunks of ice that fell nearby. Due to poor visibility, the car was traveling at low speed. The Japan Meteorological Agency also issued a tornado warning to the potential a thunderstorm during the storm. As a result of the hail, the activities of residents became very disturbed. Residents can only take shelter at home while capturing the moment when millions of chunks of ice fall from the sky. Tokyo, Saitama, and Ibaraki prefectures are likely to experience strong wind. Residents are advised to take precautions. Extremely unstable weather conditions are expected to continue into the April 17, 2023. The local government issued a warning to residents to be careful of flooding caused by melting hail in several areas in Japan.